letter I, letter B, number 4, letter D. Hey y'all, IB40 here. How are your holidays? Mine were good. Thanks for asking. Let's see what I have to make myself feel younger now. Oh, oh, I thought this was a rolling paper. It's a dryer sheet. It's a piece of a dryer sheet. That's an interesting idea. It smells chemically. Okay, so I'm still on my marigold yellow kick. I just really want to wear yellow with like tacky gold. Okay, so isn't that great? Don't burn it down with a candle. Isn't that fun? Massimo. Ooh, lots of perfume. Doesn't bother me. I'm just saying that for some people it would. Okay, this is incredible. So it ties right there like this. I plan to wear it with black palazzos or white pants. And then I have this sick Kelly green metal cross. These were like $8. So on Poshmark, if you bundle, like they have lots of times like 3 for $25. If you bundle, you save. Bundle and save. I'm just excited. What's BCX? Is that something I'm supposed to care about? And then the Massimo. What was this brand? Oh, it's a Banana Republic. Oh, yeah. I have Kelly Green flip-flops. So we're going to rock this in the summer, and it's great for spring, great for Patty's Day. Excuse my attire. All I do is wear beanies and sweats and Uggs and beanies and sweats and Uggs and beanies and sweats and Uggs. Wait for it. Oh, fun. This is a Free People with a nice fun little copper tag. It's my first Free People item. And it is fuzzy, kind of fun material. This grape color. Beautiful, beautiful color. This is pumpkin color. I love it. It's a crop. I kind of have a tire belly, so maybe wear a high-waisted pant. Ralph Lauren, palazzos. This is BCBG Max's area. Love BCBG. I used to love Anthropologie when I thought I was the only one. I used to get their knobs for drawers and such. Now everyone's doing it and everything's $500. So this is Free People again. Love their little copper tags. Like I said, never been into one of their stores. I just realized that Free People is my thing. It's my jam. I scored these. I mean, I'm telling you, like, all these were bundles. Bundle of 3, bundle of 3. Okay, so I think it's okay because I had to toss a charcoal gray mini skirt and a heather gray mini skirt because at 40, no, you can't wear mini skirts unless you do it right. So the only way I think it's okay is with the trench coat. It'd be such a cute idea to have thigh highs, the long sweater, something that's not like all out, W word. Wow, it's got pockets. It's really, really nice. It's good condition. This I'm gonna rock with like probably a t-shirt, a white t-shirt tucked in, and I've got these fabulous like black suede wedge heels. Anyway, that was a really fun unboxing. I have another one coming that's pretty big, and I have one coming from Sephora that's really big. That was so much fun. I'd love to hear people's comments in the comment section below about what you think of a mini skirt over 40. Can it be worn with pumps still? Letter I, letter B, number 4, letter D.